Welcome to Flowcast, where we break down complex tech so anyone can get it. Just straight talk about what's shaping the future. Today, I want to talk about one of the most unusual and promising blockchain projects I've seen recently. It's called Irys. Now, this isn't just another crypto chain. Irys is doing something new. It's building what's called a data chain. In simple terms, it's a blockchain that doesn't just process transactions, like sending tokens or signing smart contracts. It's built to store, use, and even activate data directly inside the network. Think of it as a blend between Google Drive and Ethereum, but decentralized. No Google, no Amazon, no single company in control. But here's the twist. The data on Irys isn't just sitting there. It's alive. It can do things. Let me explain. When you upload something to Irys, a file, a photo, a document, it first goes into a temporary area, kind of like a draft folder. The network checks it. And only if everything is valid, it gets saved permanently on the blockchain. And I mean permanently, it can't be deleted or changed. That alone is huge, because most blockchains either don't store data at all or rely on external services that might go offline. But what really makes Irys different is that the data you upload isn't just frozen, it's programmable. Irys has something called Irys VM, basically the brain of the network that runs code. Unlike other blockchains, this virtual machine can actually interact with the data stored on-chain. That means smart contracts on Irys can read files, modify them, or trigger actions based on them directly. Here's a simple example. Imagine an NFT that changes appearance depending on the weather, or a bot that watches for data updates and automatically responds, or a DAO that launches a vote when a new report is uploaded. All of that becomes possible, and it runs on-chain without any third-party services. Now, let's talk about how Irys stays secure and fast. It uses a hybrid system to protect the network, a mix of two mechanisms. One is like a little computer puzzle that takes time and effort to solve. This stops spam and keeps things fair. The second is staking, where users lock up their tokens and risk losing them if they cheat. This combination of proof of work and proof of stake keeps the system honest and decentralized. Irys is also built to scale. In most blockchains, everything competes for space. If someone uploads a giant file, your DeFi transaction gets expensive. But in Irys, each block is split into two separate lanes, one for storage and one for actions. They don't slow each other down. That makes everything smoother and cheaper. And the way data is stored, super clever. The chain is split into sections, like lockers. Each validator stores just one chunk of data, not the whole blockchain. That makes it much easier to grow and keeps the system light. So what makes Irys truly different? Ethereum is about logic, smart contracts. Arweave and Filecoin are about storage, keeping files alive. Irys combines both. It's like having storage and brain power in one system. That means you can save data permanently. You can use that data in code. You can build apps where files and logic live side by side. This opens the door to a totally new kind of app. Apps for AI that need trusted data. Social networks that don't rely on centralized servers. Digital collectibles that actually change in real time. And developers are already building on it. Because until now, these kinds of ideas just weren't possible. But with Irys, they are. This is just part one. In the next episode, I'll talk about the real-world problems Irys is solving, who's building it, and how you might get involved early, before the token launch. Thanks for listening. Catch you next time.